Claude Certification is becoming essential for the teams in enterprise companies. Before your team starts studying for the Claude Certification, do not make the mistake the most team makes. Most teams open the documentation, watch random videos, try to memorize a few API terms, and then feel surprised when the exam-style questions are not about vocabulary. They are about decisions. Which architecture is safer? Which Claude capability should you use? Which implementation has the lowest risk? Which answer is good enough for production? That is exactly what this course is built to train. My name is Alex. I am PhD in engineering, a senior scientific researcher, and I have more than 10 years of commercial experience building technical systems. Over the last several years, I've been helping teams adopt AI-native solutions in real enterprise environments. And in this video, I will show you how to use this Claude Certification preparation course, so you do not just watch videos, but actually build the decision-making skill you need for the exam. By the end of this video, you will know how to use the course files, how to work with labs and worksheets, and what your next action should be after this. Here is the learning loop. Watch a short lesson, open the matching course file, complete the lab or worksheet, then test yourself with the quizzes or scenario checks. That is the system. Now let me show you the actual course download pack. Because this is the operating system for the course. Start with a file called Start Here. First, watch the video. Then, open the course map. Then, begin the hands-on work with Lab 1. After that, use the worksheet and cheat sheet with the matching module. And when something changed, check the changelog for the updated notes. The course map connects every video to the right asset. The lab are where the course becomes practical. Lab 1 is a gold scaffold. Do not skip it. This lab gives the baseline workflow that later lesson depends on. Environment loading, request shape, short reason routing, stop reason routing, logging, and next action output. Every lab gives you 3 things: a starter version, a solution version, a notes for troubleshooting, and updates. So the goal is to practice the same implementation and architecture decision that appears again and again in real AI systems. The goal is best answer selection, not trivial memorization. Given a constraint, choose the lower risk, viable architecture move. That is the mindset you need for certification-style questions. Now, one more important thing. Coding exercises in this course work without a real Claude API tokens to save the cost and to let you reproduce the same behavior every time. The solution also includes a leave key option, but the coding exercises stay offline and deterministic. The course level changelog summarizes students' visible changes. Each lab also has its own date note. If a product details changes, but the architecture principles is still valid, you will see the update instructions in the course files. So here is the full operating model again. Watch the lesson, open the matching course file, complete the lab or worksheet. Check yourself with the quiz or scenario. That is the loop we will follow through the course. Your next action after this video is simple. Open Lab 1, the gold scaffold. In the next lesson, we will move into exam mindset and the answer ranking.